This is Nigeria or Nigeria real. Nigeria real. Messed up country. This is Sango Ota. This is Sango Ota. This is what we are seeing in this country, Nigeria. You got to read Nigeria real. Can you see? The government, this government, they are all evil. Ajizoweka kúrò nu Nigeria o, ẹ jẹ́ ká kúrò nu Nigeria. Ẹ jẹ́ ká kúrò nu Nigeria o. Let us have our own country, Yoruba land. You are saying we go Losibo. We have our own country, so we can govern ourselves. You are a fool. You are a fool if you don't know. Go and read your history. You will know you are not a Nigerian. You have your own kingdom before. You are a fool. Yoruba land has been existing before Nigeria. Biafra land has been existing before Nigeria. The British brought this to us. The British brought this mayhem to us. This sufferness. Yeah, the British people brought this sufferness to us. You can see people are suffering. The British, they brought sufferness to us in this country. This is sufferness. APC government, the worst government ever. Ẹ jẹ́ kí everybody lọ lọ́tọ̀. Kí Yorùbá lọ lọ́tọ̀, kí Biafra lọ lọ́tọ̀. Ẹni tó bá fẹ́ lọ kó lọ lọ́tọ̀. We need development. We need development. We don't want to be in Nigeria anymore. We don't want to be in Nigeria anymore.